What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So in this video guys, we're doing a Tuesday 2-minute eBay tips. So we'll have it better in the description because I haven't really worked out the name yet. But we're gonna do 2 minutes of giving you guys 2 handy tips for eBay. So enjoy. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Kristina, my name is Martin. We're a thrifting and reselling couple. We do YouTube, we do eBay, we do Mercari, Poshmark, almost Amazon soon to come. So we're doing everything. So check out all of my content, all of our content, and see what we're talking about because we filmed all of it and we give you guys great tips so you can really learn a lot from our channel. So go check out all of our videos. But in this video, we're doing our 2 minutes, 2 tips on Tuesday for eBay. So we're gonna start the clock right now and we're gonna talk about it. So first tip, we have keeping the customer happy. So with this tip, you really want, it's pretty much just make sure you just like keep the customer happy.
Do what you can.
Yeah, like if they want to return, accept the return, take the L. If someone messages you, message them literally back as fast as possible. Don't wait on it. Don't be like, oh, I can answer this in a couple hours. Once you see it, just answer right back. You're like, yeah. Because sometimes even with like offers, you can get people to just buy right away. And then sometimes with like returns, if you message someone right away and say, oh, I'm sorry, the return, can I refund you or something, just partial, and they'll take that over the return. Because I mean, realistically, nobody really wants to ship stuff out. Like once they got something, they want to just keep it, I bet. So that's what we think. That's what the first tip was just keeping the customer happy. So we're doing good on time. Tip number 2,
double check your listing.
So with that, you just want to really, when you're listing, just double check everything. Look over sizes, look over measurements, look over the colors, look over the price, the shipping, the weight. Literally just make sure everything is intact, make sure everything's right, because we've screwed ourselves over many times with having the wrong just information. Information, that's a good one. So definitely want to double check. That's a big thing that we look for.
Every time I put a listing up, I'll go all the way to the bottom, all the way till I'm almost gonna submit it, and then go all the way back up to the top and basically like redo it, not redo it, but just read through it like I'm redoing it. Yep. And then make sure it's all perfect, and then I submit it. Yep. And also with that, check your pictures. Make sure your pictures are well as well, good lighting and everything. So we hope you guys enjoyed that 2 minutes. I think we did good. We don't really know what time we did. We were just kind of rambling. So we hope we had 2 minutes on the clock. Enjoy your day, guys. Make sure to smash that like button if you enjoyed this tips or if they helped you out at all. Leave a comment if you have any more tips or if you want to add to them, because we're going to be doing this every Tuesday. So maybe we'll give you guys a shout out.
Yeah, we'll give you guys yeah, if you guys want, leave in the comments below any more tips and we'll give you a shout out in the next tip videos, and we'll go over those tips more in detail.
Your tips. Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day or night whenever you're watching this. Peace, guys.